So Mercury is going direct in the sign of Virgo starting from 18th October until 2nd of November. It represents buddhi, intelligence, knowledge, travel, IT, communication, media and education industry. So the first thing that we're going to observe here is that Mercury is conjunct with Mars. So as long as you're stable, grounded, you do not lose your focus in the ever-changing wave of emotions that one goes through, you'll do pretty fine. Because Mars is not a friend of Mercury. It is going to push Mercury and it's going to make Mercury take impulsive decisions. Here is when you have to use your buddhi. So as long as you stay focused, you're good to go. Just stay cool. Another thing that we will see is that Saturn and Jupiter are also aspecting this Mercury. So what we will see is that it's going to give Mercury the strength, the intelligence and the wisdom that it needs, making it more grounded. Problem solving is going to be highlighted ahead. So people are going to be able to solve their problems, although some of the advisors, gurus, counselors that they may encounter are going to be very absurd and weird. Some of the suggestions that will be provided by the advisors will be out of the box. So you will think twice before doing them because you've not done any of those suggestions before. But if you follow their advices, then it will do wonders for you. So the point here is that how much advices or wisdom that you get, even if it's absurd, go ahead and follow it. The last thing that we will see is that the travel industry, communication industry is going to do very well. Also, if you're a student, you will do very well for it. So the communication, media, IT, education industry, travel industry are going to boom in this time period, especially travel and communication industry. One of the mantras to take away is Om Aim Saraswatye Namaha. Do this mantra and you will see the change. Thank you so much for watching.